It's time for the next lesson. Lesson 6, Comments and Built-in Data Types. For the most part, anything following a hash symbol in a Python file is a comment and is disregarded by the language. The obvious exception is a hash in a string. Python, like most other programming languages, indicates strings through the use of double quotes. This line leaves the string "Hello World." Use the print function to display the data. X starts out referring to the string object "Hello World" and then refers to the integer object 8. A new assignment overrides any previous assignments. Python's 4 number types are integers, floats, complex numbers, and booleans. Integers, for example, 0, -11, 543, 2000. Floats, for example, 3.14. Complex numbers, 5 plus 1j. Booleans, true, false. The del statement deletes the variable. Trying to print the variable's contents after deleting it gives an error the same as if the variable had never been created in the first place. You can manipulate numbers using the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentation, and modulus. Division of integers with double slash results in truncation. These examples use complex numbers. Built-in functions are always available. Round is called with a float as its input argument. The last examples use booleans. This is the end of lesson 6. We invite you to watch the next one, which will be about strings.